Welcome to another how-to video, how to fix log in T3 Arena. Hey everyone, today our topic is all about how you can fix lag in T3 Arena. First, click the three bars on the upper right side of your screen, then click Options. Now click the graphic. It's up to you which graphics you consider smooth, just by trying any heroes. To do it, click Heroes while you are on the main screen. Choose any heroes you want to try, even the heroes you did not buy for now, and click Try over the Select button. By testing the heroes, you can see if it runs smoothly to see if it doesn't lag. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.